The UTL UGE 5048 is a 5 kVA, 48V hybrid solar inverter, specifically the Sigma Pro Grid Export PCU. It functions as a power conditioning unit (PCU) and can operate in both standalone and grid interactive modes. In grid interactive mode, it can export power to the grid or import power from it. This inverter is designed for on-grid solar systems, offering features like zero export power limiting and remote monitoring capabilities through GPRS, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Key features. Hybrid functionality. The UGE 5048 can operate as both an on-grid and off-grid inverter, offering flexibility and 24/7 power backup. Grid export. It supports exporting excess solar power to the grid, potentially increasing return on investment compared to off-grid systems. Zero export. It can be configured to limit or prevent the export of power to the grid, which may be necessary in some grid-connected systems. Remote monitoring. It can be connected to a network, GPRS, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet, to monitor daily power generation data. MPPT solar charger. The built-in MPPT, maximum power point tracking, solar charger optimizes the energy harvested from solar panels. Multi-stage charging. The inverter utilizes multi-stage charging to maintain battery health and lifespan. Protections. It includes a range of protections such as overload, battery low/high, output low/high, and various temperature and frequency protections. Display parameters. The inverter features a comprehensive LCD display and easy-to-use buttons for monitoring and controlling settings. Applications. Residential, homes, especially those seeking to reduce reliance on the grid and potentially benefit from subsidies. Commercial, businesses, hospitals, schools, petrol pumps, and banks. Remote locations, homes in areas with unreliable grid power, where basic appliances can be powered. Additional information. The UGE 5048 is a single-phase output solar inverter. It's a part of UTL's Sigma Pro series of inverters. UTL is a well-known manufacturer of solar inverters in India.